And two big prep rivals slug it out in Warner Robins this evening as Warner Robins takes on the Northside Eagles in a big 2 Quad A matchup. And Warner Robins had the bases loaded early on. Top of the first inning, Aaron Fox is going to double, and it's going to bounce over the fence. That's going to score Alan Malone and Mark Johnson, and that's going to give the Demons a 2-0 lead. The same inning, Warner Robins has the bases loaded, and Brian Welford is going to walk. That's going to score Jason Sykes. That makes it 3-0 Warner Robins. The next batter with the bases loaded, Chris Hale. And he is going to hit a fielder's choice to the shortstop. The throw is going to go by the catcher. Aaron Fox and Brent Beatty both score, and that makes it 5-0 Warner Robins. Bottom of the 7th. A double play. It's going to end the game with the bases loaded. Tim Thompson grounds for the shortstop, and your final score 10-2. Warner Robins wins it.
Got better on it, like second, third, and fourth, and fifth. Thought it looked right and everything. I was throwing pretty fast, and curveball was working pretty good.
We got a big series coming up on the north side. If we win those two, then we should be able to go a pretty good ways in the state, if not win.
Well, there you have the final. Warner Robins 10, Northside